And as we mentioned yesterday as well, إِيَّاكَ نَعْبُدُ وَإِيَّاكَ نَسْتَعِينُ. What is the meaning of al-isti'ana? Aid and help isn't as some people think, just ask Allah, implore upon Allah, ask me, help me. Ulama have a long linguistic discussion. What does it mean of al-isti'ana? Al-isti'ana carries the meaning of you are trying to do something. You're trying to do something and then that help and that support is given to you as a supplement. So a person is going through some trial and tribulation. They're making steps to change their life, to become a better individual. So Allah aids and assists that individual. إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُغَيْرُ مَا بِقَوْمٍ حَتَّى يُغَيْرُ مَا بِأَنفُسِهِمْ. Allah doesn't change a state or a condition of people until they don't change their own selves. Don't expect to sit there and say that, oh, this will just be washed away in my life. This haram that I do, it will just be plucked up. Some angel will come and take it away from me. You have to physically make that change. You have to physically, that's why I say that you're a person, a human being, your physical strength is your soul. Your soul, train your soul, work on your soul. Your soul is the most powerful tool. When a soul, as I say, is conquered, your soul is ruled by your mind. You have the ability to control your nafs. Even though nafs will waver, all of our nafs, it will waver. It will go here and there. إِنَّ النَّفْسَ لَأَمَّارَةٌ بِالسُّوءِ إِلَّا مَا رَحِمَ رَبِّي. All of our souls will be tempted by certain things. But the intelligent soul, nafsul lawama, the blaming soul, is a soul that quickly recognizes, I've erred, I've made a mistake. I'll pick up and carry on again. That's why Ibn Qayyim al-Jawziyah in his works of Madarij al-Salikin, في منازل إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين, speaks about the person who sins. He bounces many steps forward. That's why we call it steps of the traveler. So when a person commits a sin, he doesn't collapse. لا تقنطوا من رحمة الله. He doesn't collapse. Rather, he bounces many steps forward. He sees that I made this mistake. How can I return back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?